Across the vast farmlands of Russia, millions of potatoes are grown every year. From freezing winters to massive harvest machines, before planting begins, powerful tractors loosen the frozen earth. The soil must be soft, deep, and rich in nutrients for modern Russian potato farms use advanced planting machines capable of planting thousands of potatoes every single hour in the growing season. The potato plants need constant water and care. Rich soil and cool weather help the potatoes develop beneath the ground. To protect the harvest, farmers constantly monitor the crops. Special equipment helps prevent insects, disease. Green plants grow above the surface. The real transformation happens underground, where dozens of potatoes develop around each root system. Russia makes $248 million annually by growing potatoes and making chips from them. But this success comes with challenges like water scarcity, diseases like late blight, black scurf, common scab, and potato leaf roll. After months of growth, the giant harvest finally begins. Massive harvesting machines pull millions of potatoes from the earth. The freshly harvested potatoes are quickly transported to massive processing facilities. Inside the factory, powerful optical scanners inspect every potato, removing damaged or imperfect ones before processing begins. The potatoes are thoroughly washed inside giant rotating drums where high-pressure water removes every trace of dirt from their surface. Powerful peeling machines remove the potato skins within seconds, preparing the potatoes for precise slicing. The peeled potatoes are sliced into paper-thin pieces by high-speed cutting machines designed for perfect consistency. The potato slices are rinsed carefully to remove excess starch, helping the chips become crispier during frying. The thin potato slices travel through giant fryers filled with hot cooking oil, where they transform into crispy golden chips within minutes. After frying, the chips move through cooling systems that remove excess oil while preserving their crunchy texture. Inside rotating flavor drums, the crispy chips are evenly coated with delicious seasonings ranging from classic salted flavors to spicy recipes. Strict quality control systems inspect every batch to ensure the chips meet exact standards for taste, color, and crispiness. Modern packaging machines fill and seal thousands of potato chip bags every hour while locking in freshness and crunch. Once packaged, the chips are stored in huge warehouses before being shipped across Russia and international markets. From enormous potato farms to advanced Russian factories, this is the incredible journey behind the crispy potato chips enjoyed by millions. If you like this incredible journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more agriculture journeys.